Hello friends, myself Anisa. Welcome to our channel Medical Study. Today we are going to discuss a list of medical prefixes and suffixes. Cerebellum, which is originated from the Latin word which means of or pertaining to the cerebellum. Example, cerebellum. Cerebellum is the part of the brain at the back of the skull in vertebrates which coordinates and regulates muscular activities. Cerebro, which is originated from the Latin word which means of or pertaining to the brain. Example, Cerebrology. The science that deals with the cerebrum or the brain. Chiro, which is originated from the ancient Greek word which means of or pertaining to the hand. Example, Chiropractor. A practitioner of the system of complementary medicine based on the diagnosis and manipulative treatment of misligament of the joints. Cervic, which is originated from the Latin word which means of or pertaining to the neck, the cervix. Example, cervicodorsal. Related to the neck and the back. Chlor, which is originated from the ancient Greek word which means denoting a green color. Example, chlorophyll. A green pigment present in all green plants and in cyanobacteria which is responsible for the absorption of light to provide energy for photosynthesis. Chlor, which is originated from the ancient Greek word which means of or pertaining to a bile. Example, cholemia, which means presence of bile in the blood, often a sign of liver disease. Ciliary, which is originated from the Latin word which means of or pertaining to the cilia. Example, ciliary, being the angular suspension of the lens of the eye. Circum, which is originated from the Latin word which means denoting something as around another. Example, circumcision. Colpo, which is originated from the ancient Greek word which means of or pertaining to the vagina. Example, colposcopy. A procedure in which a lightened magnifying instrument called colposcope is used to examine the cervix, vagina and vulva.